Our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the UE Red Warriors in 5 sets. We have Coach Carlo Cabatingan, Olayemi Larim, and Tommy Castrones. Coach, congratulations for this win. Very tough match. UE, umabol yung UE ng 10-2, pero fortunately, nanalo kayo. So ano yung mga kailangan yung i-polish pa maging maganda yung tatakbo ng season?
Yeah. In terms of polishing, I guess we need to work more on how we keep our game consistent and how we keep ourselves composed every time, especially how we manage our emotions and the psyche during game. Because in terms of skills, this is UAP. I think everyone is skillful and physically gifted. So yeah, I think the real game here is the mind.
Thank you. Tommy, this is your second year, right? So, ano yung mga ginawa mo during the off-season ba? Siyempre, ito nga, magiging maganda yung standing nyo this season. So,
so second year ko na itong naglaro sa UAP. So, tapos na yung rookie ko. So, siguro, madami akong natutunan for the last season. So, siguro, binaon ko yun. Then, pinapis namin sa ensayo. Then, binaon namin sa actor. So, yun.
thank you. And to Rahim, like Tommy, your second year, so how was the adjustment so far? Especially you want to bounce back from last season.
Well, like I said last season, like a lot have to be improved. So I feel like throughout the off season, we try to polish more on our skills, and then majorly it's all in the mind now. So we try to be more mentally stable when it comes to playing. It's just not about our emotions or how we feel about what we're gonna do in the game. It's more about being focused and learning throughout the game. So yeah, I feel like.
Boys, we won. We won.
Alright, okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, this is your third win in a row against UE. What do you think the team is doing for you to guys to keep getting their number?
Well, nagkataon lang siguro na UE, but we are always preparing for each team naman. And we are very prepared, especially this season. But, UAP, pagdating talaga dito sa loob, maraming X-factor, I guess, that we have to consider. Tapos, especially these boys, parang from last year to this year, they have newfound strengths that they haven't explored yet. So, baka ito yung time na ina-explore nila, tapos natututunan nila. So, ganun lang.
Siguro add ko na lang din, Coach, yung mga rookies nyo nag-step up din kahit spark plugs yung labas nila. So, what can you say na lang siguro na early on pa lang nagpapakita na sila ng UAS dito?
Well, I'm very happy kasi although we've been practicing for a year, yes, they are rookie, pero we did not stop it. After last season, we started training agad. So, it was a long process din. Pero masaya ako kasi it was kind of jittery. It was a good jitter for everyone.
Rahim, you were picked as the captain. Can you talk about your new role?
Well, at first I was shocked. Honestly, I never expected being the captain. Coming to different cultural background. Actually, I feel like it's a challenge for me, which I took upon myself. Like, kaya na ako eh, kasi it's a way for me to develop as a person, also as a player. Being among my players, my teammates, how I can communicate more, bond more with them. It's really nice actually being a captain of a team. It's a role that influences a person as an individual in terms of leadership.
Tommy, nung tinanong ko yun kay Rahim na pangiti ka, can you talk about him lang kung paano siya nagiging captain sa inyo?
Siguro, yung mga seniors namin, tinutulungan naman siya kahit papaano. Kasi nahirapan din siya sa nag-ano. nag-advise sila sa amin kung ano dapat gawin, especially sa coaches.
Congratulations, Coach Rahim and Tommy. Thank you.